Hey there. In today's video, I will walk you through how to find your Zoom meeting password. If someone is trying to join your Zoom meeting and is being asked for the meeting password, you can find it directly from your active meeting without leaving the session. I'll show you exactly where to look. While you're in the meeting window, locate the Participants button on the main meeting toolbar. Select it to open the Participants panel on the side of the screen. This panel displays the people who are currently in the meeting, along with a few attendee controls. Once the Participants panel is open, look toward the bottom left corner and select Invite. This opens the Invite window, where your meeting details are displayed. Inside the Invite window, you'll see information related to the current meeting, including the meeting ID and the available ways for participants to join. In this same window, look for the field labeled Meeting Passcode. Depending on the version of Zoom you're using or your organization's settings, this field may be labeled Passcode or Password. Both labels refer to the same meeting code. Okay, the code shown in that field is the meeting passcode for your current session. It may be a short numeric code or a combination of letters and numbers. If someone needs the meeting password to join, this is the code you should provide. That's all you need to do. Open the Participants panel, select Invite, and read the meeting passcode shown in the Invite window. You can do all of this without leaving your meeting or opening any additional settings. If someone is joining by entering the meeting ID instead of using a meeting link, they may also need this passcode before they can enter the meeting. If the link they have doesn't already include the passcode, you can simply read the code from the Invite window and share it with them. Keep in mind that the passcode displayed here is for the meeting you're currently in. If you create or schedule a different meeting later, or if you use a different meeting ID, that meeting may have a different passcode. Okay, so to quickly review the process, start by opening the Participants panel from the meeting toolbar. Next, select Invite in the bottom left corner of that panel. In the Invite window, locate the field labeled Meeting Passcode, Passcode, or Password, depending on your Zoom version or organization settings. The value shown there is the code you can share with anyone who needs it to join your current meeting. Once you've found the passcode, you have everything you need. You can stay in the meeting, view the code whenever you need it, and provide it to participants who are joining with the meeting ID or who need the password separately. And that's all there is to it. By opening the Participants panel, selecting Invite, and checking the Meeting Passcode field, you can quickly find your Zoom meeting password whenever you need it. Thank you for watching.